All right, gentlemen, got a good one for you guys today. I apologize, I have no nice lantern here. It's below freezing. So, yeah, oil has a freezing point, and I live in a place where oil freezes. So, no oil lamp, no pretty background today. You have my trusty, stupid little recording light here. But anyways, without further ado, actually, I take that back. Before I get started, I'm not a professional YouTuber by any means. I just enjoy doing this. But I did look at an interesting stat yesterday on YouTube. 99.6% of you guys watching this video are not subscribed. So let's subscribe. All you have to do is click that button. I promise I won't spam. I don't put out videos every single day. You guys won't get alerts. But hit that subscribe button. I like doing these videos, and it helps out the channel. That's what the YouTubers say, right? I'm just copying. I don't know. Maybe it helps it out. I don't know. Do what you want. But, yeah, it'd be cool if you subscribe. Yeah, I gave it away. I have Milwaukee M18 right here. It's upside down, but I want to do a fun unveiling. Before I get started, I'm a Dewalt guy. Through and through. Dewalt was enough for me. I bought this kit, oh gosh, was this 4 or 5 years ago? This was $100. They still kind of make a similar kit like this, 20 volt max, these little batteries. This was $100, Christmas special. As you can see, they look in good shape. I'm not a contractor by any means. I'm a professional homeowner. I use these around my house. I might change my oil, do some, around the house things with it. But I do use these tools quite a bit. So much, in fact, that I thought, you know what, let's upgrade. I've been watching a lot of videos online. Wrangler Star is one of my favorite YouTubers, and he swears by Milwaukee, so I decided why not. If you guys are still watching this channel by now, I've been rambling, I apologize, but boom, here's what we have here. It's the Milwaukee Fuel, brushless, beautiful, beautiful, hefty, fantastic quality, just out of the box. It's it's incredible. Almost dead. They do come out of the box dead, so you do have to give them a good charge. And I think they do recommend that with lithium before you even use it, is to charge it up. So yeah, here I do have the good old impact. Very sturdy, very hefty. Even without the heavy battery on there, it's gorgeous. Compare it to the Dewalt. You can just tell the size difference. I mean, look how much more compact that is. What is that, another inch shorter? From the back end here, not too much difference, but just feels like a substantial tool. And I love this DeWalt Impact. I use this, gosh, almost every single day. But one thing I do love about the Milwaukee Impact, look at those lights. Sorry about I blinded you guys there. Try light, so if you are in the way of something, if you are holding it or upside down or angling it a certain way, you won't get that shadow by any means on your place of work. So yeah, just incredible. Has different modes, different types of speed, different impacts, different types of torque. But yeah, great tool. And next up is you could tell this is brand new. I have the handle put on here. Should I put this on? Probably not. I probably won't even use that. This is the hammer drill. Different functions. Again, different torque. Different speeds. Wow. This is the first time, guys, I'm just unboxing this. I never had a Milwaukee tool before in my life. But just out of the box, I mean, look at the batteries are kaput. They're on the last legs. Gosh, look at that. And that's it. That one is dead. Yeah. Just very, very hefty, very, very heavy, very great quality tools. I mean, I thought DeWalt and Milwaukee were, right next to each other in terms of quality. But just listen to that. Listen how clunky and cheap that feels compared to that. I mean, that's just head and shoulders. And look at the difference in size. That's a good, what is that, almost 2 inches, gentlemen? In size, Milwaukee is considerably heavier, much more heft. Wow. I mean, I'm impressed. I don't like to say I'm wrong, but I'm sorry. I know this is Cubs versus White Sox. You have to love one and hate one, but boy, I used to love my Dewalt tools and swore by them. They did the job for me what I needed, but wow, Milwaukee, you guys are head and shoulders above Dewalt. I mean, I'm a Craftsman tool guy. I don't have any Snap-on. I don't need Snap-on. I'm not a, mechanic. But this was a great purchase. It wasn't cheap. I think this was $399 on sale. I get 2 batteries, the impact, and the hammer drill as well, plus a charger. Right here has the M12 and M18, so it does both. Fantastic items. I'm very impressed to use these. Expect more videos, so please like and subscribe. What do we have here? I'm kind of discovering with you guys. Oh, this is for the to put the handle on, which I probably won't do. But Milwaukee, boy, was I wrong about Dewalt. I thought this was in line with Milwaukee, neck and neck, but just feeling the difference between these, there's no comparison. Hopefully I answered some of you guys' questions. I know Christmas is around the corner. Today I'm gonna get this video online. It is December 12th, but yeah, if you guys are getting some gift cards from Home Depot, they do have this at Home Depot. Again, it's $399. Wow, I couldn't think of something better to buy. I'm gonna keep this in the shop to use and probably put these in the house just for some DIY stuff to hang up some things. But yeah, I shouldn't put DeWalt on top of Milwaukee like I'm doing, because Milwaukee is on top. Let me know what you guys think. Again, I'm not an expert by any means. I'm just giving my professional homeowner opinion. But from what I've just felt and played with a little bit, I'm sorry, DeWalt. You guys are being relinquished to the house. And Milwaukee is staying in the shop for the heavy-duty stuff, to work on the car, do projects and whatnot. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think, if you agree or disagree. Again, the DeWalt, this is $120 for 2 and 2 batteries. This is, $400. So do the math. Obviously, this should be better than DeWalt, but let me know what you guys think. I'm sure you guys have been using these tools much longer than I have, and I'd love to learn. This is what this channel is all about, for me to learn, for you guys to learn, and so you guys don't have to go out and spend the money on things like this and get a, first view at it. So let me know what you guys think. Please subscribe, like, and have a great day.